I want that. That's mine. Okay, we got Woowd. Now we're going to the shop to figure out if it'll fit in the shop. Go on. Okay, let's go in. All right. Oh wow, check that out. Alright. So, need to get drill. Also, need to measure the door. $29. This is 24. And about the same. Alright, it should fit. Thermoletically, it should fit. The Woowd should fit. Now we have to try to get that anvil off. Whoa, we got light. Sit there. Alright, so screw it. We're just doing the good fashion way. Or more like the fun fashion way. Alright, you guys sit right here again. And watch how we do this. Boom, baby. And our anvil's free. Now, the next question is, can we lift it? And where should we put it? We're going to put it over here. That just seems like the smart and responsible thing to do. Nothing fall, please. I don't like when stuff falls. Alright. Here's the Two Testament to twist. Can a man as weak as me lift an anvil? Oh! Ha! There we go. Do this. I'm gonna try to bring the cart right in, or I'm gonna drop the log and try to move it, slide it around.
So where are we headed?
Right here.
So if I just kind of tip it and let it move on?
Yeah.
Watch your toes. Just roll it first.
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
So I didn't look at the color out of the way. Oh, great. Cheers. Which way do you want to try shot?
First I kind of want to, it's obviously not level. Maybe
I'm thinking that side's the high side,
swivel it.
and this side's the low on the ground. So if we try taking this to index it like right here
Yeah.
for starters.
Wiggle it.
Grab holding on, just get over here.
Okay.
Closer.
Closer. I might be able to dig up this side a little bit and drop that side down.
Where are you able?
Right here.
Knock over the camera.
Right. Oh. No. You say I'll put bricks on my head to make me shorter? Just have me carry that around for a bit. Actually, have it here. I think like the tool's there. Yeah, I might want to dig down this side just a little bit.
Girls, rotate it a little bit further.
Okay. Oh, no, it's with the anvil again.
You can set the anvil on the 4x6 or 4x4.
Yeah.
So that knot right here. Sort of thing.
All right. I need a new wire brush anyways.
Too terrible.
Not too bad. Kind of want to go grab a level and just see how far we'd have to go. Maybe get like an axe and try to shave off some of the uneven bits. Or something, a saw. Or...
What you gotta do is get real fancy and trace the bottom of it. Get your wood chisel. And then it would sit and not
and not move because they actually have a groove to sit. That's a good idea. You got a wood chisel?
Maybe.
Maybe. It's steady. It's nice. Better than this thing. This shook all over the place. Man, I need to clean this thing. And I need a new wire brush. Here we go. So this is kind of the basic idea. Is we're gonna get my torch, melt all the snow out of here, and then we're gonna attempt to outline the base of the anvil. We're gonna try to chisel out a little slot for the anvil to sit in. Well, I'm gonna go grab a lighter because my torch doesn't have an electric ignition switch, so I'll be back in a minute. Ah, frick! This thing's heavy! Alright. So here is the plan. Ah, crap, where'd it go? Should I put it in this pocket? Put it in this pocket. Put it in this pocket. Alright, so the plan is, you see we've got all the snow here. We're going to light up the torch and just try to melt it away. Oh, seriously. I can't close the freaking thing. There we go. All right. Oh, why me? Ah. All right. Now clean some more. Alright, now we take this American invention called a pencil. No, I don't actually know if it was made in America or invented in America. And this whole time we just hope that these lines are showing up. And we move the Anvil over here. Oh, look at that! They actually popped up pretty well. Now, we grab this French invention called a chisel, and we are going to try and chisel this outline. So let's do that. I don't really know how sharp this chisel is. Let's try and sharpen this chisel. Ow, crap. Ow. Okay, I gotta get a band-aid, guys. Now that we have employed the use of an insert country of origin here band-aid, I think that's the right outlet. We're going to attempt to sharpen this chisel, because it's not very sharp. Don't you love it when that happens? Alright, angle grinder. Won't be as nice, but screw it. Oh wait, maybe we can use... No, maybe! We can use our antique grinder. This just looks like the best plan. Alright. Yeah, I knew that wouldn't work. Cool, actually, I like that. Okay, so let's go. Haha, you guys haven't actually looking at what I'm doing. Okay, let's start. Oh, let's drop anything else. And I'm on foot sweat. Alright. I just got another idea. I don't feel like doing this anymore. I mean, sure we did get a foot, but once again. 3, 2, 1! No! 1! Alright. Now, if I remember correctly, yeah, there was a hole right there. We get something to fit in there. It could work. Alright, we're gonna try this. How deep? That deep. Alright. Oh, I'm out of cutoff wheels. Freaking alright. We're just hacksaw. We're using a hacksaw. Yay. I feel so happy about this, guys. Hacksaw. I'm not looking forward to doing this. That wasn't too bad. Okay. I'll bite. I'll buy it. Alright, to review. Plan is, this spike will go in that hole and keep the anvil from sliding around. Let's hope it works. That was pretty freaking easy. Kids, don't try this at home without an adult present. Adults, don't try this at home without an adult present. Me, doodle in the shop with one cell phone to call for help when I inevitably kill myself. Oh wait. Well, I didn't want to come to this, but... Oh, that's actually cutting it really well. I wish it was long enough. I don't know anymore. Maybe we just... Boom, baby! Not so much boom, but here's where we hope I don't chop my fingers off. Ow! Well, they weren't chopped, so I guess that's a plus. Okay, there's my anvil mount for now. Ooh, wait, now we get to do the fun thing. Clean it. Make it good. I would use a wire brush if I had a good one. Maybe we'll see if we can pull it off. Now this, nobody try this at home because this is just plain stupidity. But I haven't killed myself yet, so not deadly stupidity. It's just stupidity. This is the wire brush wheel for a 4-inch bench grinder. So not optimal for 4.5-inch angle grinder, but we'll see what happens.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. Pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.